Welcome my oil lab. I'm Dr. Jeff. This is my wife Megan, and it's lemon today. This is a daily use oil for most of us, and for a lot of you likely who use essential oils on a regular basis.
So lemon is one of the most common citrus essential oils when it comes to this essential oil family. Lemon is grown from Sicily. It's where we source our lemon from. Now it takes 45 lemons to make one 15 milliliter bottle of lemon essential oil. And all of the citruses are created equal. They're all cold pressed from the rind of the fruit. Now, when taken internally, there's massive benefits from this essential oil.
And that's due to the limonene concentration with citrus oils. So specifically lemon today, limonene stimulates glutathione production by our liver. Glutathione is the #1 antioxidant in our body. It's 5,000 times stronger than vitamin C. And studies have shown that the higher glutathione levels that we have, the lower incidence of all chronic disease that occurs in our body. So we consistently want to be ingesting things that allow our liver to produce more and more glutathione. When it comes to plant-based medicine, essential oils, there's nothing more simple to produce glutathione than ingesting lemon essential oil because of the high limonene concentration. So it's wonderful for detoxification.
We do each have a lemon on our nightstand. This is the best way to use it and make sure you're getting those internal benefits. Put the whole bottle on your nightstand, a glass of water, 3 drops in it in the morning, first thing when you wake up, and drink the entire glass with the lemon essential oil.
Now, Korean researchers have been looking at lemon essential oil specifically because of limonene for cardiovascular health, and they found that lemon essential oil is very cardioprotective. So if you've been following my story with what's going on with my heart, I've been consistently using lemon essential oil for years, or not necessarily lemon, but citrus oils for years, every single day, which I contribute to why my heart is so healthy, even though we're having this little bit of an electric problem right now with it. But citrus oils are going to be continually ingested throughout the rest of our lives.
Right, so now lemon essential oil, this is super cool about it. It helps an individual stay mentally prepared, mentally focused, which it counteracts mental fatigue. So it's a great source of energy. If you're feeling tired, if your mind is just tired and exhausted from thinking all day long, just diffuse lemon essential oil, put some drops in your hand, just smell it, and you are going to change. It's a happy essential oil. It triggers happiness. It just uplifts your mood, but it's a great mental fatigue buster. It's going to just help open that up and wake up your mind.
There's been a lot of studies done in healthcare facilities diffusing citrus oils, bergamot, wild orange, lemon, and they've in hospital settings, in memory care centers, in waiting rooms for the dentist. There's been all kinds of studies, and when a patient breathes in citrus oils prior to going into the office to have a procedure done, the levels of anxiousness that they feel reduces drastically. So citrus oils are very emotionally uplifting, very powerful for our emotions.
So this is just a really cool way to use lemon. It's just a fun fact. You know how they put the stickers on the outside of picture frames and stuff, and you get that like sticky residue or something gooey is on anything? Use lemon essential oil. Put a couple drops in a paper towel or directly on the glass. Wipe it off, and it's going to get all that sticker gooiness off.
It's better than paint thinner.
It really is.
It's pretty awesome.
Clean your house with it. Get everything gone. It's amazing.
All right, guys, let us know how you love lemon. If you found value in this video, please like, share, comment, and we'll talk to you next time.